On today's show, we're going to talk about benefits of juicing. Why don't we just cut up a pineapple and eat it? Well, Barb is going to work with me on it, and let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Let's talk about why do we want to eat pineapple and apples. There's a lot of benefits to it. What are the benefits of apples and pineapple? What's all the talk about? Well, as it turns out, apple is good for diabetes. It helps with blood sugar regulation. Apples aids in weight loss. I went from 250 down to 218 and I was eating chicken and a lot of apples. Apple enables smoother digestion. They help relieve constipation and diarrhea. Apples have been known to protect bones. They reduce cholesterol, and that's a big concern for those of us that are diabetics. They say apples can help boost brain power. Not sure I remembered that. Apples help with a brighter smile, and they make stronger gums, so they're good for your mouth. Now, there's also impressive benefits with pineapples. First of all, they're loaded with nutrients. Pineapples contain disease-fighting antioxidants. Pineapples have enzymes that can ease in your digestion. They may help reduce the risk of cancer. They boost your immunity and suppress inflammation. They may ease the symptoms of arthritis. They may speed the recovery after surgery. Pineapple juice is good to have after strenuous exercises. I can't say it and I can't do it, but I do know this: pineapples are better than eating donuts. That's the information I have for you. Thanks for stopping by and watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.